Oh, so you got a match?
Yeah.
Hey, ready?
Oh, you're.
What kind of campsite is this? You can't bring bikes?
Yeah, when you're freezing and wearing that. Yeah, like Yukon. Like Yukon. We went during the winter time and this door was open.
You just have to walk across the street. That's it. Sok mana?
Let's go. What socks?
Tak pakai sok.
They're in my
Ni camping buat suitcase.
5 tolak benar kan? Bawa makanan. We're gonna go with that. With him. Yeah. Itu okey tayar okey lah. Buat delivery lah.
Oh my god.
Alright, we're leaving.
Let's
Nampak gitu.
go. Dah awak kau tak balik.
Alright. Bye. Hi YouTube, I'm Iman, and here we are at Sunfox Campground. It's a little private site. It's actually more comparable to a camping resort because there's a lot of fun activities here. And as you can see, we're here for our annual camping tradition. You know, Nafisa's family and Tasha's family, Shazwan, and mainly those people are camping here. Also Hatem's family, and some other uncles and aunties are visiting today. But it's mainly us who are staying overnight. Right now, we've gone over some activities like swimming in the pool, playing volleyball at the net. Okay. Oh yeah! Izami, what's the point?
Satu. What? We start over?
0-0.
Oh, okay. Kosong.
Yeah! Oh, that's nice! Wow!
Satu, kosong.
I got it! Yes!
I won.
Yeah! Okay, 1, 2, 3, win!
Oh, 8, 1.
Lapis hat! Okay! There you go! Okay! Oh, I got it! Yes!
Lapis, spike it.
9, 1.
Oh yeah! Whoa! Nice
Oh.
Nice try, Hazik.
Gabi, what's the point?
Wait, is it still the same?
Yeah.
Okay, so it'd be Empire Bilas 3.
Okay! 18-3.
5 Bilas.
Playing at the playground near the pool, but I like the resort. Hopefully you'll be able to get some comments from my family and friends about how they feel about Sunfox, because I really like it.